Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos de lengua updated. Start by cleaning the tongue and trimming tough bits, then cover with water and aromatics. Simmer gently until very tender, which can take a couple of hours, and cool fully before peeling. Slice thinly against the grain and season simply. Warm tortillas, assemble with chopped onion, cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and your favorite salsa for bright, balanced tacos. Layering flavor matters for lengua tacos, so add aromatics early and taste later. Start with onion, garlic, bay leaf, and whole peppercorns in the simmering liquid to build a savory base. A splash of vinegar or tomatillo salsa brightens the tongue after cooking and cuts through richness. Remember to reserve final salt adjustments until the end so the meat stays balanced, and let the tongue rest before slicing for clean, juicy pieces. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot brings your space to life with music, kitchen timers, and hands-free help while you cook, and it pairs perfectly with busy taco nights. You'll find the product link and other deals in the description for easy shopping. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Assembling proper tacos de lengua is simple and rewarding. Warm tortillas until pliable with slight char, then layer thin tongue slices in the center. Add diced white onion, chopped cilantro, and a fresh lime squeeze for traditional brightness. Serve a variety of salsas on the side so guests can pick heat and acidity levels, and include pickled onions or radishes for contrast. Eat immediately for best texture and flavor in every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.